Hello, my name is Angelica Rocio Restrepo Figueroa. I am 28 years old. I live in Bogota with my parents and my daughter, and she is 3 years old. My cell phone number is 321-446-1072. My email is restrepof@unavirtual.edu.co. I am 8th semester. I like to watch movies, I like play with my daughter, I like dance, and I don't like the death metal, but I like the rock, salsa and romantic. I don't like so much be away from my daughter. My expectation for the course is master the language in the aspect of speaking and writing, to achieve excellent graduate and professional. Since I started this career, I began to practice a little, but like most of the course are one pedagogy and less grammar than I divided the time for both, especially looking at pages suggested by tutors that at least 1 hour daily. The skills that want to improve are to master speaking and writing, learn and memorize a lot of vocabulary to achieve better understand this language. I think it could generate contact with foreign native tutors or full-day, better organized schedules, web conference course considering that some people work. Such alternatives have 2 hours, one in the morning and one at night to assist in achieving, so that more appropriate.